recognize this guy? I found him while wandering around in Japan and was like, Rich, we have to hop on camera again, and Rich was kind enough to do that. We're standing on the Kitamura booth right now, and we want to talk about the importance of partnerships, which I'm going to let Rich go into. Rich, take it away, my friend.
Yeah, great. So we've had a partnership with Kitamura for a long time, at least 10 years, and we have some really unique things that we're able to do with them that give their customers a solution so that they're not just buying a machine, but they're buying something that has the IoT tools already enabled out of the box. Most machines that you buy, the OEM will ask you to pay extra for dashboards. You'll have to go to a third-party vendor for that. But of course, FactoryWiz, knowing how to do this stuff for many years, has worked with Kitamura to give them something, anywhere remote TV being one of those items, so that built into every machine there is software that can send email notifications or can push to dashboards. And of course can link to FactoryWiz in 30 seconds if you have one of our systems, so that's great. But this really gives you the first step onto that machine monitoring capability. This platform can go out in the machine shop. They'll have 10 machines on each TV. You can place them all over without having to go all the way to a machine monitoring system. And then once you see the value of what the guys see out on the floor from this and the feedback and the motivation, then it's a very easy upgrade to go all the way to FactoryWiz. So it works for both of us. It gives the Kitamura customer something that is unique with the machine, and it gives FactoryWiz the ability to start that relationship with the customer. And as you said, it's all about the relationships, right?
It is all about the relationships. For everyone who's watching right now, I am personally an advocate of machine monitoring. I've been with Rich into some customers, and they have literally sat there with us at a lunch break and gone, why am I more successful than my neighbors? It's because of investing in machine monitoring. And the more we get into automation, the more significant software like this is. Today we're focused on partnerships, but also give FactoryWiz some consideration when you think about moving into machine monitoring and how that might be able to help your overall perspective of your shop. No more theory, we actually put it in practice to know what's going on through the night, through the day, and everything that happens in the morning. Rich, we pretty much summarized that, right?
That's great. You can have my job. You said it perfectly.
I could never have your job, but I do appreciate you being here, and we do thank you both, all of you, for watching. Thanks, Rich.
Okay.